This is how a woman becomes pregnant. A woman may appear calm on the outside, but inside her body, a powerful biological process is quietly preparing for the beginning of life. Deep inside her body, the reproductive organs come into focus. The uterus, the fallopian tubes, and the ovaries. Each structure has a role, each movement precisely timed. This is where the journey truly begins. Within one ovary, a single egg matures. Delicate, microscopic, yet full of potential. Then, in a carefully timed release, it detaches, drifting gently into the fallopian tube. This moment is called ovulation, the opening step in the creation of life. The egg begins its slow journey through the fallopian tube, floating in a calm, fluid environment. It does not move with force, but with quiet guidance, carried along a path designed for one purpose. At the same time, millions of sperm cells begin their journey, entering a world filled with obstacles. They move with urgency, racing forward, each one competing for a single chance. But only one will succeed. After an intense journey, one sperm finally reaches the egg. In a moment almost too small to see, it penetrates the outer layer. And instantly, everything changes. A spark is created, the beginning of a new life. The fertilized egg, now called a zygote, carries a complete set of genetic information. It is no longer just a cell. It is the first stage of a human being. Alive, unique, and already developing. Without pause, the zygote begins to divide. One cell becomes two become four become many. This rapid transformation happens in perfect rhythm, forming a growing cluster of life. As it continues to divide, the cluster moves through the fallopian tube, slowly making its way toward the uterus. Every moment matters. Every movement is guided by the body's natural design. Finally, it arrives at the uterus, a place prepared in advance. The cluster attaches itself to the uterine lining, embedding securely. The body responds immediately, supplying nutrients, warmth, and protection. This is implantation, the moment pregnancy truly begins. Now, the body begins to communicate internally. Hormones are released, traveling through the bloodstream like signals, informing every system that something new is growing. The body shifts, adapts, and prioritizes this developing life. Inside the uterus, the cells continue to organize and grow, forming the earliest structure of an embryo. Tiny, fragile, yet steadily becoming more complex with each passing moment. Nutrients and oxygen begin to flow from mother to embryo, supporting its growth. What once was invisible now continues as a living, developing form.